Hello! My name is Olesya Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I will show you how to make design using top gel. Here I will use two colors, P1 pastel yellow, and I will start with this color like that, and number 11, night blue. I'll take a little bit more and overlay light color. After you finish blending, cure it. I already done it, and overlay with deep matte top gel. And after that, cure it. Look how beautiful soft touch finish we have after curing. And now I will add waves, curves with top gel. In that case I use Perfect Top to make more 3D effect, because I can use a little bit thicker layer like that. I would like to add light yellow colors, lines, curves from light side, and I will use one stroke gel because it doesn't have sticky layer and I don't have to overlay it with top gel. And something like that. Have a beautiful manicures! Subscribe to my channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.